Hello, my country people. How na dey oh? This is Maureen Gist TV. My people, my correct people. Former president, wey dem dey call Olusegun Obasanjo, don go visit Benin Republic in order to release Sunday Igboho. My people the news wey be say dem carry be say the former president wey dem dey call Olusegun Obasanjo, e bin travel go Tanzania to go visit the president of Tanzania when im wife Kpeme. So as im finish with the visit na im come branch go Benin Republic, where dis freedom fighter wey dem dey call Sunday Igboho run go. Una know say DSS, when be say Sunday Igboho run leave Nigeria because of say DSS abi how dem dey call dem, say security operative dem go im house to go raid the house, collect all sort of things, even kpeme 2 people, come lock even the 12 people wey be say dem arrest for im house. Dem still dey for inside the cell dey cool off. So in that process now, Sunday Igboho, even im pussy cat, dem still arrest the pussy cat because dem say Sunday Igboho pussy cat, say na Sunday Igboho na im turn to cat, so tey dem carry the cat go police station sef. But my country people, no be that one carry me come. The thing wey carry me come be say former president wey dem dey call Olusegun Obasanjo don show concern, don really show solidarity. E don show concern concerning this whole matter wey be say e dey go on concerning Sunday Igboho. Im come go beg the president of Benin Republic, e beg dem say abeg make dem no carry Sunday Igboho come back, make dem leave Sunday Igboho, say make dem grant Sunday Igboho asylum for inside that Benin Republic. Say on no account should they bring Sunday Igboho come back to Nigeria, because the Nigeria government, dem no mean well for the guy. My people, una know say the way I dey see this our Yoruba leaders, I come dey see am say dem be the Yoruba people, una get luck say una get good leaders. Why I say dem get good leaders be say at least dem dey show concern. The other time Ooni of Ife sef still show concern. Most of all these Obas, the king dem, you go see am from their countenance, their body language, dem show concern about Sunday Igboho. But come to the east, our southeast governor dem, when as they be say they lock Nnamdi Kanu, since when be say they lock this Nnamdi Kanu, I no dey see the way all this our governors for the east, they no dey even dey try at all. They no dey try, na just few persons na just dey waka Nnamdi Kanu own. But this Sunday Igboho, you go really know say yes, the Yoruba people, dem love am well well. Dem dey show concern every day. Sunday Igboho, Sunday Igboho, Sunday Igboho. We no dey hear what they give for social media. Everybody wants Sunday Igboho to dey alive. Everybody wants Sunday Igboho to be safe, including our ex-president wey dem dey call Olusegun Obasanjo. My people, now they see the way the whole thing dey be. Now they see the whole thing dey be. Sunday Igboho na person when he be say he ready to, he talk am. He said there's no going back. Say Yoruba nation must come to pass. And I know say when he reach to this kind of things, he get the way be say these Fulani people, then they do something. You go see say when they don't they buy people anyhow for inside bush. Not only Sunday Igboho na say enough is enough. He don't tire for all this kind of thing. People no go fit dey their house in peace. People no go fit do farm in peace. Our women, they no go fit go farm, say they won't go. All this Fulani herdsmen, they go there, go by force chukuchu them, or do all sort of things. So Olusegun Obasanjo don't really, this one will be say former president want a situation whereby they no go bring Igboho back to Nigeria. But you know say Yoruba people, they really support this agitation. And all these things when we say they do, when Sunday they do, people they will be say back them up. All of us who now, we don't they see the way the whole thing they be. Now don't they see the whole thing they be. And one day na one day o, whether Buhari like o, whether federal government of Nigeria, whether they like it or not o, we cannot continue to be like this. E no get as dem wan do am. New generation they are coming up. All this their regime they don dey old. Whether they like it or not, the earlier they start putting things together for this country, the better for them. Because before, people wey be say if una like make una silence Sunday Igboho, make una silence Nnamdi Kanu, una dey waste una time. Because whether una kpai these two men, people dey wey be say dem dey come up, wey be say dem go ready to even stick out their life the way Sunday Igboho don stick out himself. So the way be say Obasanjo take go visit this Benin Republic president, e don beg am o. And I know say for Obasanjo na man of caliber, na e get level. So for Obasanjo to step into this matter, I know say e no get as dem want to bring Sunday Igboho. Dem no go fit bring Sunday Igboho come Nigeria. It's not possible. So all this one wey be say our southeast governors, then they forehand anyhow, then they forehand yakata. Una know, in fact, oh God, I don't know why they betray Nnamdi Kanu, honestly. I don't know why. Why I not leave Nnamdi Kanu? May they where and they do his own thing now. Una can't do betray Nnamdi Kanu. Now, Nnamdi Kanu don't they cool off. In matter. Nnamdi Kanu case, that case, we don't know which day it go end. Maybe Nnamdi Kanu go old for there, because except maybe another governor, another president come on board, come decide to say, okay, Nnamdi Kanu come, make we negotiate, make we talk. Before, and Nnamdi, person like Nnamdi Kanu, even Sunday Igboho, they don't already talk and say, there's no going back. They know they negotiate am. They know they judge am for matter, say there's no going back. Somebody like Nnamdi Kanu say, if he ready to pay because of Biafra, say if they want to pay make they pay. Say it's either them give am Biafra or in pay. And that's so it seem be for this Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho say him ready to pay on top of this Oduduwa matter. Say they cannot continue to be living like servants for their own land. Say it's not possible. So my people, what are your thoughts? What do you think for this whole thing? I think this is a welcoming development. This one will be say Olusegun Obasanjo don't step in. I know say hope dey for Sunday Igboho. You know, get as they want to judge this matter. Will be say all those their Yoruba king go, everybody don't go block for Sunday Igboho. So Sunday Igboho is not coming to Nigeria. You know, get as they want judge am. So my people, what are your thoughts? What do you think about this whole thing? Leave your comment for comment section. This is Maureen Gist TV. I bet support me by subscribing if you never subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.